When I was younger, I went through a phase where I thought I just like stopped liking everything, and I'm like, damn, everything just kind of sucks now. Oh well, I guess that's growing up, but I realized now that was depression. I wish I could say that I do this dumb shit for TikTok, but no. I just...
I'm crazy, but you like that. I bite back, dances on your nightstand. Never forget I blossom in the moonlight. Screw eyes, glacier with the blue.
Not to romanticize mental illness or nothing, but why the fuck am I just funnier whenever my shit starts acting up? What the fuck did I do? No, it's my first time seeing myself. And I got those stupid little bangs. Fuck. I can't stop laughing. Over my fucking eyebrows, man. I won't know what it looks like for real until tomorrow, but I got stupid little bangs right now too, because I fucked them up. I'm so glad I don't give a shit about what I look like, because Lord, I look like something.
I ain't even gotta walk in with my tool out.
Ah, fuck! Fuck. Nunca pasó nada.
Aren't you worried? About what? Oh my god, yeah.
I look like shit right now, bro, so I'm gonna like hop in the shower and try to look good, feel good. Haven't worn this dress since like 2014, so I'm gonna go see what I can do with that. This is what I did with that.
When you take them out of the box, you shouldn't take them. I don't have all of these because of their monetary value. I have them because I'm mentally ill.
Where is the real me after all is said and done? Oh, there is no real me. I guess that's it. I only exist inside those people aware of my existence.
Don't stay away for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, hey.
Don't stay.
I just let somebody, damn. I just hit somebody, man, bitch left her, damn. I just hit somebody, like, damn. I just hit somebody, man, bitch got him sitting at the crib looking sad.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome.
How's that for aesthetics? I'm getting too old for this fucking shit, bro.
I don't ever wanna feel.
I like sex, I like drugs, I like money. Okay, I like drugs, it's so silly, but it ain't funny. What you said, why the hell you even talking to me?
You always on that damn phone. Bitch, there are little gay people in here that like me.
Y'all don't wanna hear me, you just don't dance. Don't want to
A lot of people want to act smarter than they really are, and I don't. I want people to think I'm fucking stupid. Because you know what? That way, they don't put any responsibilities on you. They don't trust you with shit. What are you gonna do? Be a dumb bitch about it? Yeah, exactly that. I found an ass rock.
Some things that I should never say. Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine. And now you won't love me for a second time.
I really like your body. I really wanna get naughty. I think you're such a hottie. Slow dancing in the party. Oh yes, bring me the money. Take a flight to Miami. Maybe take me out the country. Why you wanna act like Leo? Like you don't love me, please, oh. Like you don't spend money, oh. Like you don't eat my pussy. To the left, to the right, to the front with it, go, yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, that's right. If the money going up, say yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're a lesbian? That's cool. Do a fucking backflip then. Do a fucking backflip, lesbian.
And to wonder why you came, where did I go wrong?
I'm extremely confused.
You're confused. I'm fucking confused, bro.
Damn, shawty, you mentally unwell. But at least you're pretty.
Now look at me and this opportunity is standing right in front of me.
I can feel my bones and it's fucking nauseating. Well, that was kind of a lot. Sorry, guys.
Tyler the Creator? Why should people care about Tyler the Creator? Why should people care?
They shouldn't. I'm not shit. I actually suck. It's tight.
I'm disgusted, I'm busted up. What the fuck did I just put up my nose? I'm bugging out these buckle, I'm done.
Oh, hi. Hi. This is actually my house and I live here. So you just shut the hell up.
Why is everybody looking at me like I lost it? Maybe if I keep singing I can make them stop it. Shoot you up, shoot you up. Can someone shut this music up?
Just take your pill.
I'm choosing not. Is something wrong? No, shoot you up.
Dude, I'm telling you, gaming is my therapy. You fucking piece of shit!
If you want to stop me, you're gonna have to fucking kill me!
Fuck it, now you ducking. When I say I got the shoes, baby, no, I'm not bluffing.
I don't know what I'm talking about, and I never have. I never really have.
6 a.m. Why am I like this?
Don't make me get violent. I want my ring back, baby, that's a diamond. You know what's
the wall. Wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella think I wanna smash 'em all now. Speed up, gas pedal.